Hey guys, it is Saturday here in West Virginia, and today we're just going to do a quick video on the Hot Wheels Silver Series Rally Racers. I've had this set for a while and I keep forgetting to make a video on it, so I figured I would do it today before I forget again, or get rid of it before I can make a video. So the set contains 5 different vehicles that are rally cars, and number 1 in the set is this guy right here. It is the Audi 87 Audi Quattro. Good looking car. The wheel choice on it's nice. This is the plastic base, metal body, casted in mirrors, which helps the casting look more realistic. Detailed tail light tampos, headlight tampos, and grille with the interlinking rings for the Audi emblem. So pretty cool casting, actually. And then number 2 is the JDM car, a Honda S800 racing course. So this looks pretty good with the gold 5 spokes that kind of look like a mag style wheel. That's one of the better wheels, I think, from the semi-premium Silver Series. And this little car looks pretty good, actually. Tail light tampos, once again. Headlight tampos with a nicely detailed grille. Very cool little car. That was a treasure hunt last year, I believe, in orange. So, number 3 is a Ford Escort RS2000. Same style like mag wheel, but I do not like the white sidewalls. That is kind of like a fail on this one, in my opinion. They should have been black. But this one looks good, the red one, but this guy, I do not like the big white sidewall. The white 5-spoke ain't bad. I can tolerate that because it kind of corresponds with the white stripe on the side. There's another casting, and I didn't even check. No, it doesn't, but that would have been probably a single mirror car anyways. This casting has the mirrors and, once again, detailed grille and headlights. You get the Ford oval in the grille. Nicely detailed tail lights. Nice blue, too. Really like the way the blue looks on this car. So that was number 3. Now, coming up to number 4. This is probably one of the all-time favorites from Hot Wheels. The 71 Datsun 510. And this car is very sought after. I'm surprised this guy is not worth more yet, because it is a very, very popular casting. Nicely detailed grille and headlights, and then your detailed tail lights. And this is just a classic from Hot Wheels. Kind of up there with like the 83 Silverado and maybe the Dairy Delivery, things like that. Just a couple of really popular castings, to name a few. So this guy is right up there with them. Number 71 as the car's number. It's kind of cool. It kind of corresponds with the year of the vehicle. Now, last but not least is the chase car of the set. At least that's what they're calling them. The chase car is 1 per case. I'm guessing you get doubles of 1. Well, you get double. I think you get 2 sets per case, and only 1 of these is the way it works, I think. And this one also has a metal base, metal body. So it is a pretty heavy casting. This is the Lancia Rally. And let's see here. This car was originally produced in 2019. I was just seeing if it was a new casting, and it's not. because I really don't follow this type of car. Looks really good though, man. They did a nice job. Detailed tail lights and the rear exhaust and such on the back looks really good. Nicely detailed headlight area and grille. Pretty cool paint job, black with the orange graphics. So, sweet car. Ah, yeah, rear engine. You can see the engine through the rear glass. Really cool car. So that is it for that premium, well, semi-premium Silver Series Rally Racers. Just wanted to show you guys a quick look of that before I get rid of it. And then hopefully in the next few days or so, we'll be getting the Vintage Racing Club, I think it's called, set. I've been seeing it start hitting at Family Dollar. I may try to grab a set of those just to make a video on. It's got a couple of really cool cars in it. The chase piece is a Porsche 356, I think. And then it has a really nice looking 65 or 66 Ford Galaxy. So we may try to pick that up. But if not, we'll be back again on Monday for our Mopar Monday video. And I hope you guys have a great weekend. Enjoy the rest of it because it goes by quick. And we will talk to you on Monday. Thanks for watching.